want to ask that there is an observable resistance to change everywhere in typical Indian government offices. So there is resistance to e-governance, there is resistance to even the RTI Act, even after its implementation. So is there any way to decrease the resistance to these changes in the government offices? Because sometimes the government officers even seem to suggest that this is not the way Indian government works, this is the way that government works. And also I have a 1 month working experience in the Ministry of Finance, and I could observe that there is so much file sharing, so much files piled up, and I think this is increasing the resistance even more. So can it be any strategically decrement of the resistance in the government offices? And also I want to say about the Freedom Team of India name that there are a lot of freedoms that we require. I suggest one freedom from queues, because this is something that the adults of India take for granted, but the next generation is not tolerable to it. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste, brother. You asked me a question about administrative reforms. This is probably not the right time, but there is actually an Administrative Reforms Commission, and anyone who has worked in the government, including sir and me, we will immediately agree that there is not only a need, there is a dire need for change. And believe me, far superior minds than me have written extensive work and recommendations on that. Ultimately, someone has to say yes, do it. There's unfortunately no one who is willing to stand up and say let's do it. I mean, if you ask me, in this closed, between these walls,